Hi, good morning, guys. I'm very happy this morning to help you learn some more Khmer words, and I think these are the very important words that you guys should know. This. Okay, let's start it with this. Okay, like use of word almost, mostly, except, between, to keep or to put in Khmer. Okay, because this sometimes it's very confusing in using how to use it, especially the word to put and to keep in Khmer, because sometimes it has in Khmer it has the same meaning, whether to put or to keep in Khmer. So let's go together and learn together. Okay. So the first one is the word almost. 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 In Khmer we say stir tai. Stir tai. Và stir tai. Và stir tai. Và stir tai. Almost. Stir tai. So how do you use it in a sentence? How do you use it in a sentence? So you can say, I almost wins the election. ខ្ញុំបាទស្ទើរតែបាទឈ្នះឆ្នោតបាទខ្ញុំស្ទើរតែឈ្នះឆ្នោត I almost win the election បាទឆ្នោត election, and ឈ្នះ is to win. Okay, again, so almost in Khmer we say ស្ទើរតែបាទស្ទើរតែបាទស្ទើរតែ so ខ្ញុំស្ទើរតែឈ្នះឆ្នោត I almost win the election. Okay. Second word, the word mostly. 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 So in Khmer we say ភាគច្រើន So mostly or the majority in Khmer, the same. Majority or mostly in Khmer is the same meaning. We say ភាគច្រើន ភាគច្រើនបាទភាគច្រើនបាទភាគច្រើន so mostly or majority in Khmer we say ភាគច្រើនបាទភាគច្រើន so when you use in the sentence, what would you say? ភាគច្រើនបាទ the majority of Cambodian people, or most of Cambodian people, or mostly like to eat rice. So we can say ប្រជាជនប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនបាទញ៉ាំបាយបាទប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនញ៉ាំបាយ The majority of Cambodian people eat rice, or mostly of Cambodian people is eat rice. បាទប្រជាជនខ្មែរភាគច្រើនញ៉ាំបាយ Okay. Next one, except. The word except. 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 So except. In Khmer we say លើកលែងតែ លើកលែងតែ except លើកលែងតែ លើកលែងតែ So when you use it in a sentence like, I like all the food except, okay, I like all the Khmer food except fish. So we say, ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអាហារខ្មែរទាំងអស់ I like all the Khmer food លើកលែងតែ exceptត្រី except fish I like all the Khmer food except fish បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអាហារខ្មែរទាំងអស់លើកលែងតែត្រីបាទលើកលែងតែបាទ except លើកលែងតែ between, but the word between, okay, so there are two ways of using between in Khmer. So with thing like, for example, my house is between street number 4 and number 3. So in this case, between we translate Chanla. So the word between, the first meaning is Chanla. Chanla. So between street 4 and 3. So ផ្ទះខ្ញុំនៅចន្លោះផ្លូវ street បាទផ្លូវលេខ 4 និង លេខ 3 so ផ្ទះ sorry ផ្ទះខ្ញុំ so ផ្ទះខ្ញុំបាទផ្ទះខ្ញុំ so ផ្ទះខ្ញុំនៅចន្លោះផ្លូវលេខ 4 និងលេខ 3. So my house is between street number 4 and number 3. Okay. So the first meaning of between is Chanla when you use with thing. Okay. And the second meaning of between is between people and people, a person and a person. But ro vieng, you can say ro vieng. You say ro. Ro vieng. Ro vieng. Between you and I. Ro vieng ខ្ញុំនិងអ្នក Ro vieng ខ្ញុំនិងអ្នក រវាងខ្ញុំនិងអ្នក between you and I. Okay. Two more words, guys. To keep. So to keep, two meanings in Khmer. When you translate in Khmer, you can say tok, or the other one is riaksa. So the first meaning of to keep is tok, and the other meaning is riaksa. For example, keep the pen, keep my book here. So tok siphaខ្ញុំទីនេះ រ ទុកសៀវភៅខ្ញុំទីនេះ so ទុកសៀវភៅខ្ញុំទីនេះ or រក្សាសៀវភៅខ្ញុំទីនេះ same meaning okay but two translation in Khmer okay to keep okay and to put that to put that so you can say top or that but I put the pen on the table ខ្ញុំដាក់ប៊ិចនៅលើតុបាទខ្ញុំដាក់ប៊ិចនៅលើតុ I put the pen on the table បាទខ្ញុំដាក់ប៊ិចនៅលើតុ okay so guys thank you very much for watching this short video I hope this will help you clarify some of this word when you use it in Khmer okay thank you very much and have a nice day